So just regarding the dimensions that I've taken, I've actually put some paint marks on the chassis rails to reference, because I didn't have any hard points that I could work from, so I've just used some touch-up paint to mark references on the body, so I can take position longitudinally on the vehicle. I've also taken measurements to where the fuel tank, the rear of the fuel tank mounts. So this is a diagonal relationship, so I've taken reference points diagonally to the faces of the spring hangers, because what I was finding is I could get very good references longitudinally, but I can't get any reference left to right, any accurate reference left to right. So I'm actually using this point here as a reference to measure to, noting that the shapes of the hangers are actually slightly different. So this is a square face, and this is chamfered. So I've taken the measurement point at the top there. In terms of height measurement, what I've also done is I've left the bolt in and just made sure it sat flush with the bushing, and measured between the two bolt faces as accurately as possible. So as I said, if I just do one side at a time, I replace the spring when I've tack welded in the section, I can ensure that I've got a very accurate positioning, lateral position on there. And I'll just walk over to my scribbles. So I've actually done 3. So this is end on looking in. This is looking up effectively from under the car. So you can see that I've got the chassis rails here. The boot floor is indicated here. The seat base is here. And then the springs actually emerge here from the hangers. So I've taken as many points as I think I need to be able to check and get reference back. And finally, just a very quick side-on one, just so that I've got reference to where the boot floor is. Again, I've put a reference paint line on the boot floor so that I can check the height of the face to the bolt. I just want to be certain, because that will affect the spring height. So I need to be careful with that one.